¿Qué pasa, mi gente? So today, I was supposed to meet somebody here, and they're running late because of traffic and everything, so I decided to stop at the gas station and get myself a bite to eat while I wait. And I ran across these. Lenny and Larry's. I've tasted their regular vegan cookies. It's like a big cookie, it's a protein cookie, but I never tasted the crunchy one. So I got curious and I was like, you know what, why not record myself doing this and let people know how good or bad these taste. So let's see. So I got my Clorox wipes. Gotta stay clean nowadays. You should stay clean all the time, but I use my wipes I know some people might think this is crazy, but with this crazy corona stuff going on, I gotta clean the bag. And some people might think that's crazy, but so be it. I'm crazy. So I got the cookies here. I'm gonna wash it down with some of this Starbucks almond milk. It's another vegan product, so it's vegan cookies with a vegan Starbucks coffee. And if it tastes bad, I got some popcorn aside to hold me down if it tastes bad. So let's see. Open this up. And if it tastes bad, I'm gonna be mad because I was looking forward to these. So got that. I pumped gas right there, so I gotta put this on right here, some hand sanitizer. Some of y'all should do the same, because I know a lot of y'all don't use this. If you hear beeping going off, it's my phone. If I'm loading something on my phone, so it's a little beeping on my other phone going on. So here I go. All right. First test, let's see what's up. Actually, it's actually really good. It tastes like a regular chocolate chip cookie. I really can't taste the difference. Like I almost can't taste that it's vegan, so to say. Yeah, I'm wiping down my bottle. I mean, I got it from the gas station. What you mean to do? The gas station got people walking around, talking, coughing, sneezing, snotting. And, they be standing over stuff looking for their product. They touch 100 bottles. Nah, man. Call me crazy, but I'm trying to stay clean and crazy. But this cookie is actually pretty good. I'm actually digging it. Let's find out about this almond coffee as well. My first time drinking this. Okay, I'm with it. So there you have it. So we got the Starbucks almond milk, vanilla, vegan, and we got the Larry's complete crunchy cookies. Has 20 grams of protein. So if you want something sweet, tastes good, with not non-dairy, so you want me to have to poop on the road, these are the ones. And excuse if I sound really tired, I haven't got much sleep. And I figured I'm not gonna buy this and take it home, so I might as well just do this video now. So hope you enjoy. Hope that did something for you, a little road snack that ain't gonna give you the craps. And yeah, be safe.
Yeah.